Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My dear students, I am Sadia Rooj. I hope you have all enjoyed your holidays. Today we will learn about scientific notation and we will solve exercise 3.1. What is scientific notation? Scientific notation is the way of expressing numbers that are either too big or too small to be conveniently written in decimal form. Here we will discuss the importance of scientific notation and learn why is it useful. Here are the examples of large number and small numbers. Scientific notation is very useful to write large numbers or small numbers in a short way. Addition, multiplication, and division of the above mentioned numbers is very difficult and scientific notation makes it easier. Let me give you a few more examples. The distance between Earth and Moon is 384 million meters, which is very large. And the size of the hydrogen atom 529 picometer, which is very small. Through scientific notation, we can write these numbers in their short form, such as distance between Earth and Moon can be written as 3.84 into 10 raised to power 8 meter, and the size of hydrogen atom can be written as 0.529 into 10 raised to power minus 10 meter. Let's learn the method to convert the larger number to scientific notation. We have the number 384 million, which is written in ordinary notation. You can't see any decimal point in this number. In case when there is no decimal point, we will put the point at the end of the number or at its ones place. Just like this. For scientific notation, I will move the decimal point from its original position. This is the original position of the point. The new position of the point will be after first non-zero digit for scientific notation. In this number, 3 is the first non-zero digit. Why is 3 the first non-zero digit? Because when we speak the given number, we say it as 384 million. We start from 3, that's why 3 is the first non-zero digit. So the decimal point will be placed after 3. Now we have to figure out the values. How many values are there between the original position of the point and the expected new position of the decimal point? Let's count. This is first digit. This one is second. This one is third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and this one is eighth digit. There are 8 values. So we will put the point after 3. Remember that we will move towards left side because in the case of larger number, first non-zero digit is on the left side. Now we will remove all the zeros and we will write only non-zero digits 3.84. Then we will multiply 3.84 with 10 raised to power 8. Why? Because we have moved 8 places to left. Keep in mind, the exponent will be positive when we move towards left. So the scientific notation of the given number is 3.84 into 10 raised to power 8. Now let's see the method to convert the smaller number into scientific notation. We have a number in ordinary notation. Decimal point is already present in this number. So students, you know that the decimal point should be placed after first non-zero digit in scientific notation. So here the first non-zero digit is 5 and we have to place the decimal point after 5. Now here what I will do, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 numbers after which we have to place the decimal point. In case of smaller number, we have to move the decimal point to the right side because first non-zero digit is on the right of the decimal point. Now here the zeros will be removed and we will write only the non-zero digits. Then we will get 5.29 and it will be then multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 10. The power of 10 is minus 10 because we have moved to the decimal point 10 places to the right. Keep in mind the exponent will be negative when we move towards right. This is our required scientific notation. Definition: a number written in the form a multiplied by 10 is per n where a greater than and equal to 1 and a less than 10 and n is an integer is called the scientific notation. Here a is actually first non-zero digit. Its value will be greater than and equal to 1 and less than 10, where n is exponent and it is an integer. Its value can be positive or negative. Here are some examples. Write number 1 30600 and number 2 0.000058 in scientific notation. Solution: part number 1, 30600. We can't see any point in this number, so we will put the decimal point at its one place. And 3 is the first non-zero digit. Point will be after 3. Point will be placed after 3. So we will move the decimal point 1, 2, 3, 4 digit to the left side. Then we will write it as 3.06. पॉइंट को आपने फर्स्ट नॉन जीरो डिजिट के बाद लगाना है और उसके बाद आपने नॉन जीरो डिजिट्स लिखने हैं, यानी आप 0 और 6 लिख सकती हैं क्योंकि ये 0 जो है वो 6 से पहले आ रहा है, तो इसलिए आप ये वाला 0 लिखेंगी तो 3.06 ये वाले डिजिट लिखे जाएंगे। इससे आगे जो 0 हैं उन दोनों को रिमूव कर दिया जाएगा और क्योंकि आप 4 डिजिट लेफ्ट साइड पे पॉइंट को हमने 4 डिजिट लेफ्ट साइड पे शिफ्ट किया है, इसलिए 10 की जो पावर होगी वो +4 आ जाएगी। जब भी हम पॉइंट को लेफ्ट साइड पे शिफ्ट करेंगे तो एक्सपोनेंट पॉजिटिव होगा और जब हम पॉइंट को राइट साइड पे शिफ्ट करेंगे तो हमारे पास एक्सपोनेंट नेगेटिव आ जाएगा। पार्ट नंबर 2, 0.000058. Here 5 is first non-zero digit. Point should be after 5. So we will move the point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits to the right. Then we will write it as 5.8. बच्चों आपने 5 लगाना है, उसके बाद आपके पास दूसरा नॉन जीरो डिजिट 8 है, तो इसलिए यहाँ 5.8 लिखेंगे और ये वाले जो जीरोज हैं इनको हम रिमूव कर देंगे। उसके बाद हमने इसको 10 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देना है और 10 की पावर -5 इस वजह से आएगी कि हम 5 डिजिट हमने पॉइंट को 5 डिजिट राइट साइड पे शिफ्ट किया है, राइट साइड पे शिफ्ट किया है, इस वजह से हमारे पास एक्सपोनेंट जो है वो -5 आ जाएगा। Exercise 3.1. Question number 1. Express each of the following number in scientific notation. Part number 1, 5700. Students, there is no point in this number, so we will put a point at its ones place. 5 is first non-zero digit in this question. The decimal point should be after 5. So we will move the decimal point 3 places to left. We will place the decimal point after 5 and then we will multiply it by 10 raised to power 3. As we have shifted the decimal point 3 places to left. So the required answer is 5.7 into 10 raised to power 3. Number 2. 4980000. Solution. We can see that there is no point in this question. So we will put the point at the ones place, and you know that here in this case 4 is the first non-zero digit. Decimal point should be shifted after 4, should be placed after 4 for scientific notation. Here we will shift the point 7 places to left. So we will write this number as 4.98 into 10 raised to power 7 in scientific notation. Part number 4, 0.00643. Here in this case, the first non-zero digit is 6. Point should be placed after 6 for scientific notation. So we will move the point 3 places to the right. Then the resultant scientific notation will be 6.43 into 10 raised to power minus 3. Part number 7, 0.0074. Here the first non-zero digit is 7. Point will be placed after 7. So we will move 3 digits to the right. And then we will write in scientific notation as 7.4 into 10 raised to power minus 3. Part number 10. Students, this question is a little bit different, but it's not difficult at all. Let me explain this for you. There is no decimal point in the numerator, so we will put the decimal point at its ones place, and here 2 is the first non-zero digit, so we will move the decimal point 5 places to the left. Then we will get the required scientific notation 2.75 into 10 raised to power 5, as we have moved the decimal point 5 places to left. Speaking of the denominator, 2 is the first non-zero digit. We will move the decimal point 3 places to the right, which is after 2. Point should be after 2. So the resultant scientific notation will be 2.5 into 10 raised to power minus 3, as we have moved decimal point 3 places to right. Then the required scientific notation is 2.75 into 10 raised to power 5 divided by 2.5 into 10 raised to power minus 3. Remaining parts of question number 1 are your homework. The numbers which have positive exponents are always greater than 1, and when we write these numbers in ordinary notation, then zeros will be at the end, so we will move the decimal point to right. Here are some examples of the numbers which are greater than 1. In ordinary notation, you can see the zeros are at the end of the numbers are on the right side. The numbers which have negative exponent are always less than 1. And when we write these numbers in ordinary notation, then the zeros are in the start or before the non-zero numbers. In this case, we will move the decimal point to left. Here are some examples of the numbers which are less than 1. In ordinary notation, you can see zeros are in the start or on the left side. Question number 2. Express each of the following numbers in ordinary notation. So here the situation given to us is different from the previous one. Right here in this question, we have to change a number from scientific notation to ordinary notation. We simply have to reverse the process. Question is given in scientific notation and we have to write it in ordinary notation. सबसे पहले आप यहाँ पे देखिए, हमें 6 के बाद कोई पॉइंट नहीं लगा हुआ, लेकिन आपको पता है लास्ट जो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 हमने किया है उसमें आपने ये सीखा है कि पॉइंट फर्स्ट नॉन जीरो डिजिट के बाद आता है जब हम उसे साइंटिफिक नोटेशन में लिखते हैं. तो 6 जो है वो फर्स्ट नॉन जीरो डिजिट है. पॉइंट यहाँ इसलिए नहीं लगा हुआ कि इसके आगे और कोई डिजिट नहीं है, तो पॉइंट आपने यहाँ पे खुद लगाना है. 6 के बाद पॉइंट है. नेक्स्ट, क्योंकि इसका एक्सपोनेंट नेगेटिव है -4, तो नेगेटिव एक्सपोनेंट हो तो इसका मतलब है जो हमारे पास रिक्वायर्ड आंसर होगा वो लेस देन 1 होगा. तो लेस देन 1 में नंबर ऑफ ज़ीरोस स्टार्ट में आते हैं, जो नॉन ज़ीरो डिजिट होता है उसके शुरू में आते हैं, या आप यूँ कह सकते हैं कि लेफ़्ट साइड पे आते हैं. तो अब यहाँ पे इसका एक्सपोनेंट -4 है, तो इसलिए हमने पॉइंट को 4 डिजिट लेफ़्ट साइड पे शिफ्ट करना है. 4 डिजिट लेफ़्ट साइड पे आप शिफ्ट करेंगी तो पहला डिजिट कौन सा आ जाएगा 6, उसके आगे कोई डिजिट नहीं, तो आपने 3 0 खुद से लगाने हैं, क्योंकि 4 डिजिट पॉइंट को 4 डिजिट्स मूव करना है. तो आपके पास एक ही डिजिट 6 है, तो 3 डिजिट्स की जगह पे आपने 0 लगाना होगा. इस तरह ये 4 डिजिट्स पूरे हो जाएंगे. इसके आगे आपने पॉइंट लगाना है और पॉइंट से पहले हमेशा 0 लगाया जाता है. तो इस तरह ये ऑर्डिनरी नोटेशन क्या बन जाएगी 0.0006. अब ऑर्डिनरी नोटेशन आपने लिख ली है. इसके बाद आपने 10⁻⁻⁴ इसके साथ नहीं लिखना, क्योंकि उसी की जगह हमने ज़ीरोज़ लगाए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, 5.06 into 10⁻10. पॉइंट ऑलरेडी प्रेजेंट है. एक्सपोनेंट इस केस में पॉजिटिव है. पॉजिटिव एक्सपोनेंट हो तो जो हमारे पास रिक्वायर्ड आंसर होता है वो ग्रेटर देन 0 होता है. ग्रेटर देन 0 के केस में हमारे पास जो ज़ीरोज़ आते हैं वो एंड पे आते हैं या राइट साइड पे आते हैं. तो इसलिए अब क्योंकि +10 इसका एक्सपोनेंट है, तो आपने पॉइंट को 10 डिजिट राइट साइड पे शिफ्ट करना है. 0 और 6 2 डिजिट्स मौजूद हैं. अब आगे आपको 8 डिजिट खुद लगाने पड़ेंगे, क्योंकि 10 डिजिट मूव करना है तो 2 + 8 10 होगा. तो आपने यहाँ पे 8 ज़ीरोज़ खुद से लगाने हैं और पॉइंट को राइट साइड पे शिफ्ट कर देना है. पॉइंट एंड पे आ जाएगा, तो एंड पे पॉइंट नहीं लिखते. तो जो आपके पास ऑर्डिनरी नोटेशन में इसका आंसर आया है वो है 506 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Now question number 2, part number 3, 9.018 into 10⁻⁻6. Here in this case exponent is negative. It means the required answer is the number less than 1. As you know that in the case of less than 1, zeros should be in the start. So the decimal point will be moved 6 digit to left. Here first digit is 9 and we have to put 5 zeros and then a decimal point. And there is always a 0 before the decimal point. So the required ordinary notation is 0.00009018. Now question number 4, part number 4, 7.865 into 10⁸8. In this question, we have the positive exponent. So the required answer is greater than 1. It means zeros will be at the end or on the right side. And we have to move the decimal point 8 places to right. 3 digits 8, 6, 5 are already present. but the exponent is 8. We need 5 more digits. So we will put 5 zeros here, and the required ordinary notation is 7865000000. Applications of scientific notation. Victoria Fall, 3.5 into 10 is per 2 feet tall. Mount Everest, 3 into 10 is per 4 feet tall. Great Wall of China, 5.5 into 10 raised to power 3 miles long. Thanks. Have a nice day.